lecture, we learn about forms of business ownership and skills and types of businesses. Understanding how to handle your personal finance can help prepare you for managing your own business. The ability to plan, manage, and keep track of your own money can be applied to handling a business. If you decide to start a business and manage its finances, it is important to become familiar with the different types of ownership or business skills. When you start a business, you have to choose as to how the ownership is legally organized. Business ownership can take one of three legal forms: sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. It is important to select the most appropriate form of ownership that best suits your needs and the needs of your business. In this selection, examine the first two forms of business ownership: sole proprietorship or partnership. And when we discuss about the sole proprietorship, which is the first one, business organization like in sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation, we see here the advantages and disadvantages. And principal form of business organization, where in proprietorship, the advantage of proprietorship is easy to form, not expensive, low government regulation, no corporate and taxation on the firm. And disadvantage of proprietorship is difficult to raise capital and limited life of the firm. While for partnership, the advantage of partnership is to easy to form, less expensive, moderate government regulations, limited liability. And disadvantage of partnership is limited to raise capital, limited life, unlimited liability in general partnership. While in corporation, the advantages for corporation is unlimited life, easy transferability, limited liability, easy to raise capital. And the disadvantage of the corporation is double taxation, complex and time-taking chartered filing process for corporation. While for sole proprietorship, when we discuss about sole proprietorship, the first one, business organization, it means that sole means single and proprietorship means ownership. It means only one person or an individual is the owner of the business. Thus, the business organization in which a single person owns, manages, and controls all the activities of the business is known as sole proprietorship forms of business organization. The individual who owns and runs the sole proprietorship business is called a sole proprietor or sole trader. And example of sole proprietor is hair salon, auto repair shops, bookkeeper, dog walker, artist, actor, fisherman, taxi driver. These all are the examples of the sole proprietors. And what are the main features of sole proprietorship? Well, it means that the main features of sole proprietorship is one man ownership, no separate business entity, so separation between ownership and management, unlimited liability, all profits and losses to the proprietor, and fewer formalities for the sole proprietorship. And it's a single ownership, no sharing of profit and loss, one man capital, unlimited liability, less legal formalities, and one man control for sole proprietorship. Characteristic of sole proprietorship, when we discuss characteristic, it means that it's a easy of formation, single ownership, no sharing of profit and loss, one man capital, one man control, and unlimited liability is the main characteristic of the sole proprietorship. Other characteristics of sole proprietorship like ownership, formation, capital, management of business, profit, legal entity, unlimited liability, legal restriction, uncertainty, doorstep services, small size, limited life, success of business, secrecy, easily transferable, easily dissolution or the characteristics of the sole proprietorship. And advantage of sole proprietorship is not profit sharing, less legal formalities, motivation, low cost, better control, decision making, tax benefits, government support, not accountable, and discontinue business is the main advantages of the sole proprietorship which is used in any business. And merits of sole proprietorship, when we discuss about merits, it means easy formation, personal interest, quick decisions, freedom of action, business of secrecy, contract with customer, personal relationship, easy access, less publicity cost, easy resolution, flexibility, increase in employment, and social benefits are the main merits of the sole proprietorship or sole tradership. And other merits are saving in business expenses, saving in taxes, less chances of fraud, credit facilities, courtesy, formation expenses, entire profit, honesty, personal satisfaction, goodwill of the business, equal distribution of wealth, and easy transfer are the main merits of the sole proprietorship or tradership. And what are the main demerits of sole tradership? When we discuss about the demerits, it means that shortage of capital, unlimited liability, dependent on owner, difficulty in credit, lack of skill persons, ineffective distribution of work, cost of production, entire burden of loss, not durable, and lack of public confidence are the main demerits of the sole tradership. And other demerits of sole traderships are lack of inspection, continuity, lack of incentives, wrong decisions, difficulty in expansion, no legal protection, lack of implies protection, management problems, lack of advertisement, lack of innovations are the main demerits of the sole tradership. Advantage of sole proprietorship is easy formation, taxation, prompt decisions, and easy resolutions. And for disadvantage of sole proprietorship is limited resources, limited business life, unlimited liability, scale of business, and expertise is the disadvantage of sole proprietorship or sole tradership. Pros and cons of sole proprietors, like advantage, features, and disadvantage. It means complete control over business is the advantage of the sole proprietor. Less forms of formation of entity, benefits of confidentiality of business, minimum reporting requirement, and tax advantages are the main advantage of sole proprietors. And features are common form of organization, no distinction between owner and business. Owners keeps all profit, pays only personal tax in the is the feature of sole proprietor, and no separate tax to be paid, complete control over decision makings. And disadvantage of sole proprietorship is the existence of unlimited liability for sole proprietor, difficulty of obtaining funds, lack of financial controls, everything is owner controlled, and lack of technological advancements are the main disadvantage of sole proprietors. One man control business is best for how it's best for proprietorship or sole traders. It means that easy formation expenses, easy access, less publicity cost, contact with customer, freedom of action, quick decision, saving in business expenses, business secrecy, less chance of fraud, personal relationship, entire profit, flexibility, easy transfer, easy resolutions are the main benefits for the sole proprietorship or sole traders. What is partnership? When we discuss about partnership, a business that is set up by a minimum of two people but a maximum of 20 is the maximum range for partnership. It is a group of individuals working together, sharing ownership is the main partnership of any business. And in partnership definition, a partnership is defined as the relationship where two or more parties having compatible vision, values of and goals form an agreement to do something together. And partnership, where a partnership is about people working together in a mutually beneficial relationship to maximize the value of combined resources in order to make a difference of the poor for the poor and a vulnerable. It means that in partnership, both the partners are likely to enhance the profitability of the organization or productivity and goodwill of any organization. And what is business partnership? A specific kind of legal relationship for only for the business, and business partnership are formed by the agreement between two or more individuals to carry on a business as co-owners. And types of partnership and levels of involvement is the main business partnership. While in partnership where we may discuss about trust, collaboration, efficiency, business, communication plan, and teamwork are the main features for any partners, and it's all the qualities which are enhanced, which are built by two or more partners within any organization. In types of partnership, where general partnership, limited partnership, and limited liability partnership. When we discuss about general partnership, it means that partners are personally liable for the firm's debts and liabilities. Unlike corporation, annual meetings are not mandatory. And in limited partnership, at least one partner has unlimited liability and the other partners have limited liability. And in limited liability partnership, partners' personal assets cannot be used to recover debts. They are not shielded for personal acts. And the characteristic of partnership, while we discuss about the characteristic, there are main characteristics like ownership, mutual agency, profit motives, partnership agreements, limited life, share of liability, co-ownership of property, and taxation. When we discuss each and every terms one by one, first one is ownership. When we discuss ownership, two are greater than or equal to 20 except professional. See section 47(2) of Partnership Act 1961. Else controversies with section 14 subsection 3 of the Companies Act 1965 is the ownership characteristic of the partnership. When we discuss about mutual agency, it means that agent of partnership and other partners is a mutual agency, and profit motives were formed to make a section 3 subsection 1 Partnership Act 1961 profit distance. And in partnership agreement, not a requirement by law, written agreement provide classification of the partner mutual rights and duties, point of the reference for any issue or conflict arise in future. And it's for the partnership agreement between two parties or between two individuals. In limited life, dissolve when any of the partner withdraw, decease, heirs have right to the share, bankrupt, incense without court order or with court order. It's a limited life of the partnership. And in share of liability, where unlimited liability for all liabilities incurred by the business except limited partner settlement to the extent of the private properties. And for co-ownership of property, where property is bought by partners or partnership business or property of the partnership, also agreement identify with or and are not properties of the partnership. Absence of agreement. And third one is circumstances considered, where circumstances of the acquisitions, purpose of acquisitions, and subsequent use of assets is also a co-ownership of property. And while we discuss about taxation, partnership not subject to income tax, individual partners separately liable for income tax based on their share of the reported profit are the main characteristics which are used in any partnership. Characteristic of partnership, while form of business organization, two or more members, agreement, lawful business, sharing of profit, unlimited liability, voluntary registration, principal agent relationship, continuity of business are the main characteristic of partnership while we form a business organization. And voluntary registration continually control contractual relationship, transfer of interest, membership, unlimited liability, sharing of profit and loss, and mutual agency. Where the main other advantage of partnership is easy setup, more skills and knowledge, available capital, total control by partners, profit tax funds are the main advantage of the partnership. And different advantages like easy to create and maintain, flexible, informal, and a partner share profits and losses equally, while the disadvantage of partnership is partners are personally liable for all sorts of businesses and contracts dissolved upon death, difficult to raise financing in partnership. And best partnership is agreement in written form, full trust, help each other, duties, experience, business run, business progress, rights, registered and secrets are the best partnership acts. Four types of partnership like general partnership, limited partnership, limited liability partnership, and LLC, limited liability partnerships are the main four types of partnership. These types of partnership, the first one is general partnership. When we discuss about general partnership, a partnership in which all partners have unlimited personal liability and to take full responsibility for the management of the business. While in limited partnership, a partnership in which the partners liable or partner liability is limited to their investment, while for joint venture, a partnership in which two companies join to complete a specific project and the partnership ends after the specified period of time. While in strategic alliance, in type of partnership, strategic alliance, a partnership in which two businesses work together for mutual benefits. For example, a business types of partnership with a manufacturer that agrees to produce a business products is the main types of partnership as a strategic alliance. And in general partnership, an association between two or more people who agree to be co-owners of an organization in which each owner or partner will be equally or personally responsible for the debt and liability of the organization. While general partnership may be following forms, the first one is partnership for fixed period and partnership at will. Partnership at will means indefinite period and expiry of fixed period and particular works or the partnership at will for the general partnership forms. And in limited partnership, it means that a partnership comprising one or more general partner who manage the business and who are personally liable for the partnership debts. And the second one thing, in limited partnership, one or more limited partners who continue or contribute capital and share in profits but who take no part in running the business and incur no liability with respect to partnership obligation beyond contribution is a limited partnership. While in limited partnership, we also discuss about unique or incorporated business with at least one general partner and one limited partner. And in general partner, in limited partnership has managerial operational control over business, and in limited partner liability limited to extent of his or her capital contributions, and limited partner has no managerial or operational control over business in limited partnership. While in general partners, unlimited liability is agent of partnership as fiduciary duty and duty of care in management, and limited partners where no management limited liability is an agent of partnership, no fiduciary duty and duty of care in limited partners. And different kinds of partnership under Islamic law, like the first one is Shirkatul Madawya, and second one is Shirkatul Anan, and third one is Shirkatul Wujud, and fourth one and the last one Islamic law under partnership is Shirkatul Taqabal. In partnership deeds, when we discuss about partnership deeds, partnership deeds means a signed agreement between or about ownership or legal rights among partners, and forms of partnership deed is oral, written or written and registered forms are the main forms of partnership deeds. Contents of partnership deeds are the main contents which are used in partnership deeds are name of the firm, nature of the business, duration, capital, profit and loss sharing ratio, date, name of partners, location, salary, rights and duties of the partners, entry and exit of the partners, ways of the resolutions, arbitrations, witnesses, loan and interest, dealings with banks are the main content of partnership deeds. Rules applicable in the absence of partnership agreements are the main rules which are applicable when partnership are not applicable. or absence of partnership agreement is management, majority decisions, inspection, profit and loss, interest on loan, interest on capital, new partner, death of partner, termination, compensation of loss, personal use, and change in partnership are the main rules applicable in the absence of partnership agreement. Where kinds of partners like partner either of a pair of people engage together in the same activity according to the age, according to the experience, according to the liability, according to the participation, and according to the other partners. It's are the main kinds of the partners. Where according to the age, adults partner or minor partners, and second one is according to the experience, which is senior partner or junior partner, according to the liability, limited partner or unlimited partner, according to the participation in the business like active partners, secret partners, non-active partners, and nominal partners. While the other partners which are used in the business is new partner, partners in profit only, salaried partner, retired partner, insolvent partner, and deceased partners are the main other partners according to the Partnership Act. And duties, responsibilities of the partners, when we discuss about the duties and responsibilities of the partners, it's a sincere and faithful common advantage to abide by decision, information, distribution of loss, use of firm property, secrecy, use of power, maintenance of trade account, profit used to be paid to firm. And rights of partners were right of the profit, interest on capital, rate of interest, right to receive amount, right of inspection, right of opinion, nature of business, right of admission, right of existence, right of retirement, and new business are the main rights of the partner for any business. And in registration of firm, when we need the registration of firm in any business, like registration process where application for registration, verification, and registration certificates are need of the registration of the firm. And the advantage of a registration, what are the main advantage for our business to be registered under the laws and rules and regulation of the state? It means that it's a legal protection by the state, right of legal action, protection of right, protection of property, protection of creditors, public confidence, and saving in taxes are the main advantage of the registration in any form of the business activity. Or it's a very much useful for any recession of any business. And while we discuss about the forms of the businesses or the form of business ownership and skills, it's very useful that we know about the types of businesses and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the businesses, and also know about the advantage of registration.